In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit links in Trello cards. We'll start right from the Trello homepage. Open your browser, go to Trello, and sign in if you aren't already. From the top navigation, open the boards view so you can see the spaces you have access to. Choose the board you want to work in. Any board where you'd normally add tasks or notes will do for this demo. Once the board loads, pick the list where you want your new task to live. At the bottom of that list, click the option to add a card. In the card title field, type Watch F1 Highlights. Using a clear, action-focused title like this makes it obvious what the task is about. Press Enter or Confirm to create the card, then click the new card to open it. You'll now see the full card view with details in the center and a sidebar on the right with options to add content. On the right side, look for the Add section. Click Add, then choose Attachment. This opens Trello's attachment panel, which lets you add files from your computer, cloud services, or in our case, a link from the web. Since we're attaching a video, we'll grab a link from a video page and paste it into the link field here. Switch to your browser tab with the video you want to reference. On the video page, click Share to bring up the sharing options. Then click Copy to copy the shareable URL to your clipboard. A quick note, this process works with any public link, articles, docs, dashboards, or videos, so the same approach applies broadly across your tasks. Head back to your Trello card. In the attachment panel, click into the field that says Search or Paste a link and paste the link you just copied. Below that, you'll see a space to set display text. Type a short, meaningful label such as F1 Highlights so teammates instantly know what the link points to without seeing the full URL. When that looks good, click Insert. Trello will add the link to your card and, when possible, show a rich preview. You'll now see the link listed on the card. Click the F1 Highlights attachment to open its preview and confirm it's the correct content. This is handy for a quick check without leaving the card. When you're done previewing, close the preview by clicking the X to return to the card. Back on the card, find the Attachments area to manage the link you just added. If you need to adjust how it appears, click the three dots next to the attachment to open its menu. From here, you can choose Edit to update the display text or fine-tune how it's labeled on the card. You can also select Comment if you want to reference this attachment directly in the card's discussion, which keeps conversation and context tied neatly to the link. If you decide the attachment is no longer needed, choose Remove. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Remove again to finalize. This only deletes the attachment from the card. It doesn't affect the original item on the web. With your changes complete, close the card by clicking the X in the corner. To verify everything's saved or to continue working, open the card again by selecting Watch F1 Highlights from your list. You'll see your updates reflected immediately, and you can keep collaborating, adding checklists, or moving the card through your workflow. And that's the full process. Open your board, create or open a card, use Add an attachment, copy a share URL from your source, paste it in with helpful display text, preview it, and manage it from the Attachments menu, including editing, commenting, or removing as needed. This keeps your links organized, scannable, and right where your team needs them, inside the task itself.